morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Wednesday, March 29th, 2023.
It's almost the end of March.
Yeah.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be mostly cloudy with a high of 63 degrees and a low of 48 degrees.
It's spring. Why is it getting colder?
Seriously.
Today's lunch options are grilled cheese or egg fried rice.
Yummy.
Bet you didn't know, if you sneeze too hard, you can break a rib.
Today in history, in 1638, Swedish colonists create the first European settlement in Delaware.
That's cool.
Seriously. So cute I can't. Quilty, a 6-year-old shelter cat, is as kind as he is smart. He learned how to liberate his fellow kitty compadres from their enclosures by opening the doors, a trick he did several times a day, but particularly liked to do it at night while the shelter staff was gone. While the cats enjoyed their nighttime parties, the staff did not enjoy having to repeatedly wrestle all the cats.
That's awesome.
Adorable.
That's awesome.
Weird but true. It takes between 2 and 3 years for a pineapple to grow to its full size.
How do we have enough pineapples?
That's
Crazy.
Now here's Carter for the joke of the day.
Hi. Why did the kid cross the playground?
I don't know.
Why?
To get to the other slide. Oh, I see a slide over there.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Maggie.
And I'm Hallie.
That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, ba, dum, bum.